Yes, can you hear me? आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will start. Yes, good morning to all. Myself, Shoaib Pirzadeh, Assistant Professor, Milia Arts Science and Management Science College, B. We are discussing thermodynamic second. So in the last period, we have seen that is the total work done in Carnot cycle. We have obtained that is a expression for that is total work done in Carnot cycle. We have obtained expression that is W is equal to R into T2 ln T2 minus T1 upon T2. So that expression we have proved, that is the total work done in Carnot cycle. W is equal to R into T2 minus T1 ln V2 upon V1. So this is the total work done in Carnot cycle. Now today we study Carnot theorem. Now there are two Carnot theorem, Carnot first theorem and Carnot second theorem. Now we see one by one. First is Carnot first theorem. Carnot first theorem. Now what is the statement of Carnot first theorem? So the statement of Carnot first theorem is all reversible machines operating between the same temperature limit T1 and T2 have the same efficiency. This is the statement of Carnot first theorem. That is, all reversible machine operating between the same temperature limit T1 and T2 have the same efficiency. It means efficiency does not depends on nature of working substance or mode of working substance, but depends upon temperature of source and sink. That is, efficiency does not depends upon nature of working substance or mode of working substance, but it depends upon, that is, the temperature of source and sink. So this is the diagram for, that is, a Carnot first theorem. So proof of this theorem. So consider two reversible engine HE and HER working between the same temperature limit T1 and T2. So it is shown in the diagram, that is we have taken two reversible engine. We have taken two reversible engine. One is denoted by HE, see in the diagram. So that is so this is the, that is HE. This is the first reversible engine. This is the first reversible engine, and that is denoted by, that is HE. The second reversible engine is HER. So these are the two reversible engine. One is HE and another HER, and they are working between the same temperature, that is T1 and that is the T2. Okay. So that is, consider two reversible engine HE and HER working between the same temperature limit T1 and T2. Now next point, suppose engine HE is more efficient than HER. So we have considered, or we have supposed that is engine HE, this engine HE is more efficient than HER. यानी इंजन HE ये more efficient है इससे, that is the engine HER से. So this is the first point, that is consider two reversible engine HE and HER working between the same temperature limit T1 and T2. Suppose engine HE is more efficient than HER. Okay. Now next, when engine HE absorb a certain quantity of heat Q2 from source. So it is shown in the diagram, that is these are the two engine reversible engine HE and that is HER, and we have considered that HE is more efficient than HER. यानी more efficient यानी क्या, HE की जो काम करने की कैपेसिटी है वो ज्यादा है किससे, HER से, ऐसा हमने फर्ज किया है. that is engine HE is more efficient than engine HER. Now engine HE क्या करता है, दिस इज द सोर्स एंड दिस इज द सिंक. सोर्स से क्या करता है, सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एब्सॉर्ब करता है. कितनी अमाउंट हीट एब्सॉर्ब करता है, Q2 अमाउंट. दैट इज Q2 अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज एब्सॉर्ब बाय इंजन HE फ्रॉम दैट इज द सोर्स T2. So when engine HE absorb a certain quantity of heat Q2 from source. Now again, that is some part of it will get converted into work W. When that is engine HE absorbs certain quantity of heat Q2 from HE, then that is some part of it is converted into work, that is denoted by that is the W. And remaining part कितना रहेगा, देखिए इंजन HE ने क्या किया है, Q2 अमाउंट एब्सॉर्ब किया है, हीट एब्सॉर्ब किया है सोर्स से. यहाँ पे ये जो हीट है दो हिस्सों में बढ़ जाती है. एक तो जो है काम करने में, that is some part of it will get converted into work, that is denoted by W. So what is the remaining heat, देखिए remaining heat is the Q2 minus W. एंड देखिए फर्ज कीजिए 20 किलो कैलोरी अगर हीट एब्सॉर्ब कर रहा है HE, 20 किलो कैलोरी हीट एब्सॉर्ब कर रहा है, और उसमें से कुछ हीट यानी 15 किलो कैलोरी हीट जो है इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वर्क. सो व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग, एस 20 किलो कैलोरी हीट एब्सॉर्ब कर रहा है फर्ज कीजिए, और 15 किलो कैलोरी वर्क करने में सर्व हो रही है, तो कितनी बचेगी, एस 5. करेक्ट. हाउ इट इज कैलकुलेटेड, दैट इज द 20 minus 5, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ नंबर वी हैव गिवन हियर Q2 अमाउंट इसने एब्सॉर्ब किया है, और उसमें से जो है W अमाउंट जो है कन्वर्ट हो गई है वर्क करने में, तो रिमेनिंग कितनी रहेगी फिर Q2 minus W. जैसा Q2 यहाँ से हमने 20 फर्ज किया है और वर्क यहाँ पे 15, तो 5 आएगा. तो यहाँ पे नंबर के बजाय आपको यहाँ पे सिंबल लिखना है, दैट इज Q2 minus W absorb the सिंक, यानी सिंक जो है इतनी अमाउंट एब्सॉर्ब करता है. यानी इंजन HE जब Q2 अमाउंट हीट एब्सॉर्ब करता है तो W अमाउंट क्या होगा, इसकी वर्क में सर्व होगी, और रिमेनिंग जो Q2 minus W है वो सिंक जो है एब्सॉर्ब करेगा. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट. नाउ व्हेन इंजन HER एब्सॉर्ब, ये तो पहले इंजन HER ने एब्सॉर्ब किया है, जो हमने कंसिडर किया है कि इट इज मोर इफिशिएंट है, इंजन HE इज मोर इफिशिएंट. वो है या नहीं हम आखिर में देखेंगे, प्रूव करेंगे कि इंजन HE इज मोर इफिशिएंट है या नहीं. हमने यहाँ पे फर्ज किया है, सपोज इंजन HE इज मोर इफिशिएंट देन HE. तो ये हो गया पहला इंजन HE के ताल्लुक से, दैट इज इंजन HE ने क्या किया है, Q2 अमाउंट एब्सॉर्ब किया है हीट, और यहाँ पर दो हिस्सों में हीट बढ़ जाती है, एक तो वर्क में और रिमेनिंग Q2 माइनस डब्ल्यू ये क्या करता है, सिंक एब्सॉर्ब करता है। अब दूसरा इंजन लीजिए, इंजन HER। Now when engine HER absorb the less efficient than HE, ऐसा हमने पहले ही फर्ज किया है कि जो इंजन HER है वो लेस इफिशियंट है इसके कंपैरिजन में इंजन HE के, ऐसा हमने फर्ज किया है। दैट इज व्हेन इंजन HER absorb the less efficient than HE, it convert a smaller portion into work। ऐसा कि दैट इज इंजन HER ये लेस इफिशियंट है, तो ये क्या करेगा, लेस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज, दैट इज लेस portion of it is converted into work and that is denoted by, that is the WR। यहाँ पे भी जो हीट है दो हिस्सों में तकसीम होगी, या the heat is divided into two part। one part is it convert a smaller portion into work। स्मॉलर पोर्शन ऑफ हीट का क्या होगा, वर्क में कन्वर्ट होगा, एंड रिजेक्ट्स लार्ज अमाउंट, और ज्यादा पार्ट जो है दैट इज कितना रहेगा, एक तो WR वर्क में कुछ पार्ट इसका वर्क में कन्वर्ट हो गया, उसको हमने डिनोट किया है WR से, और रिमेनिंग कितना रहेगा ऊपर की तरह ही Q2 माइनस WR, Q2 माइनस WR, एंड इट रिजेक्ट्स टू द सिंक, बाकी का हिस्सा जो है सिंक में चला जाता है। सो when engine HER absorb the less efficient than HE, it convert a smaller portion into work, that is WR, and rejects the large amount Q2 minus WR to the sink। So this is the about engine HER। Now if two engines are coupled, दोनों इंजन को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जोड़ रहे हैं। सो दैट इज सीन इन द डायग्राम, दैट इज दिस इज द HE and HER, these are the two reversible engine। then heat absorbed by engine HE is Q2, the work produced by engine HE is denoted by W, and work produced by, that is engine HER, is denoted by WR। this is the source and this is the sink। Now if two engines are coupled, दोनों इंजन को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जोड़ रहे हैं, they are coupled to obtain a composite system। if two engines are coupled to obtain a composite system, engine HE operate in direct manner while engine HER in opposite manner। now when two engines are coupled, then engine HE, that is more efficient than HER, as we have considered, engine HE operates in direct manner while engine HER in opposite manner। the heat transfer and work done of each system can be given as we have previously, that is obtain expression for, that is Carnot cycle। so that work in Carnot cycle is given as, that is heat transfer and work done of each system can be given as, that is W is equal to R into T2 minus T1 ln V2 divided by V1। this is the work। now heat, that is Q2, Q2 is equal to R T2 ln V2 divided by V1। this is equation number 2। this is equation 1 represent work done, while equation 2 represent is the heat। so see this equation 1, that is W is equal to R T2 minus T1 ln V2 upon V1, as already we have prove or obtain that expression, that is work done in Carnot cycle, and Q2 is equal to R T2 ln V2 upon V1। now divide equation 1 and 2, see equation 1 and 2, divide equation 1 and 2। so what is this equation 1 and this is the equation 2। so W upon Q2, W upon Q2, we have to divide 1 by 2, equation 1 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है, तो this W divided by Q2, W divided by this Q2, W divided by Q2। now what quantities get cancelled, what quantities are same in equation 1 and 2, if we divide the same quantity get cancelled, कौन कौन से cancel होंगे, देखिए R and R, ये R और R cancel होगा, R and R। again which quantity is same which may cancel, this ln V2 divided by V1 and this ln V2 divided by V1। this is not 2, this is T2, remember this is T2. ln V2 upon V1, this also cancel. So what remains? This R and this R get cancelled. If we divide the equation 1 by 2, R and R get cancelled. This ln V2 divided by V1 and this ln V2 divided by V1, this also get cancelled. Then what remains? Therefore, W upon Q2 is equal to, this remains T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. And what remain in equation 2? This R is get cancelled. This ln V2 upon V1 get cancelled. What remains only? This T2, T2 is remains. So this T2 is remains though. That is W upon Q2 is equal to T2 minus T1 divided by T2. So this is very important equation, that is W upon Q2 is equal to T2 minus T1, that is divided by T2. That is when a Carnot cycle operating between temperature T1 and T2, so we can obtain the work done when that is total amount of heat is given. So we have to solve the problems on this, that is a bit also, that is W upon Q2 is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2. ये फॉर्मूला याद रखिए, हमें इस पर प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व करना है, that is W upon Q2 is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2. What is W here? Work done. W is work done. Q2, that is heat supplied. T2 is the final temperature. T1, that is the initial temperature. So we have to find out the work done. If heat is given, final temperature and initial temperature is given, then we can, that is calculate, that is the work done. So it is calculated rearranging this formula, that is W is equal to, you take this Q2 as here, so Q2 into T2 minus T1 upon T2, and this quantity, that is the Q2 T2 minus T1 upon T2 is called as efficiency of the heat engine. We see in the next point, that is what is efficiency, that is T2 minus T1 divided by T2. This quantity is called as, that is the efficiency. Or sometime, that is a work done is given, work done is given, T2 and T1 are given, we have to calculate the Q2. So we can calculate the Q2 also. So remember this formula is used for solving the problem. And also in examination, compulsory, that is a problem is asked on the Carnot heat engine efficiency. So you remember this formula, that is W upon Q2 is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2, where W is work done, Q2 heat supplied, T2 final temperature, T1 initial temperature. So, and rearranging this formula, we get W is equal to Q2 into T2 minus T1 upon T2. Now, but T2 minus T1 upon, that is T2, this quantity is less than 1. That is efficiency is always less than 1. This quantity is called as efficiency. Remember that T2 minus T1 divided by T2 is less than 1. इसका जो आंसर है हमेशा जो है 1 से कम आएगा, 0 point something. Always remember in the, that is problem में भी आपको efficiency calculate करने के लिए कहा जाता है, तो always उसका जो आंसर आएगा 1 से कम रहेगा, 0 point something आएगा. So remember that is efficiency is always less than 1. It follows that W is less than Q2. जब efficiency less than 1 है तो क्या होगा, W छोटा होगा, W is less than, that is work is less than heat supply. This indicates that only a part of heat absorbed by the system at higher temperature T2 is converted into work. That is, this indicates that is W is less than Q2. This indicates that only a part of heat absorbed by the system at higher temperature T2 is converted into work. यानी जो higher temperature पे जो heat absorb की है वही heat जो है convert होगी work में. Now that can be denoted by, that is a table. You remember that first table, this, that is process. We have taken here engine, engine HE forward, then second engine HER, that is also forward. You see the table first. Now engine HER reverse, and composite engine, that is when two engines are coupled, that is we get the composite engine. So process, see the process, heat transfer at T2 by engine HE is Q2. That is engine HE is Q2. Now what is work produced by engine HE? That is W. We have denoted by that is the W. And heat transfer is given as that is the minus Q1, because heat is transfer, so it is given by that is shown in diagram. That is, I will show the diagram. So see here, that is engine HE, that is work is denoted by Q2, and heat transfer is that is the Q1. So this is the engine HE forward. Heat transfer is Q2, work produced is W, and heat transfer is that is the minus Q1 dash, minus Q1 dash. Now take the second engine HER forward. Engine HER forward. So what is the value? That is heat transfer is also Q2. Then work produced WR. We have denoted that is the work produced by engine HER is WR. And its heat transfer is minus that is the Q1. Now next engine HER reverse. Reverse कैसा लेंगे आप? Engine, this is the engine HE forward. These are the values of engine HE forward, and these are the values of engine HER forward. Now engine HER reverse. See this value and this value. How we can taken? समझ में आ रहा है कि देखिए इंजन HER फॉरवर्ड है, इसकी वैल्यूज रिवर्स करना है, तो कैसा करेंगे? रिवर्स कैसा करते हैं हम मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में? एस सुनाई दे रहा है ना?
यस सर।
रिवर्स कैसा करेंगे? क्या करेंगे? सिर्फ सिंपली साइन चेंज करेंगे। पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव लेंगे और नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव लेंगे। सी हियर इंजन HER फॉरवर्ड है, तो कितनी इसकी वैल्यू? Q2 है, तो इसका रिवर्स कितना? दिस इज माइनस Q2। देखिए ये तो देखिए, क्योंकि इंजन HER दिस इज फॉरवर्ड एंड दिस इज द रिवर्स। रिवर्स में सिर्फ साइन चेंज करना है आपको, प्लस है तो माइनस लेना है, और ऑलरेडी माइनस है तो क्या करेंगे आप? प्लस लेंगे। ठीक है, सो दिस इज Q2, तो इसका रिवर्स क्या होगा? माइनस Q2। अब देखिए यहां पर क्या है? WR, तो उसका रिवर्स क्या होगा? माइनस WR। अब देखिए यहां पर देखिए माइनस Q1 है, माइनस Q1, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? इसका रिवर्स प्लस आएगा। सो दिस इज द इंजन HER रिवर्स। नाउ कंपोजिट इंजन को क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? इंजन HE फॉरवर्ड माइनस इंजन HE दैट इज HER फॉरवर्ड, यानी पहला फर्स्ट कॉलम में से सेकंड कॉलम माइनस करना है, तो देन वी गेट द कंपोजिट इंजन। देखिए समझ में आ रहा है कि इंजन HE फॉरवर्ड माइनस इंजन HER फॉरवर्ड, तो क्या आएगा वैल्यू? एस कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी? कंपोजिट इंजन फर्स्ट कॉलम से सेकंड करना है, तो क्या होगी वैल्यू? Q2 माइनस Q2। एस Q2 minus Q2, what is the value?
0।
0, correct. Here it is given, that is the 0. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है Q2 minus Q, composite engine, that is the 0. Now engine work produce, work simply W minus WR, पहले में से दूसरा माइनस करना है, सिर्फ W minus WR। यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, देखिए this W, here W, this minus and WR, so W minus WR. W is the work produced by engine HE and WR is the work produced by engine HER. Now next heat transfer, that is minus Q1 dash minus Q1। तो देखिए यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी माइनस है, दिस माइनस दिस करना है आपको, फर्स्ट कॉलम माइनस सेकेंड कॉलम, तो हमने रीअरेंज किया है। देखिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है हमने? Q1 माइनस Q1 डैश, तो जो पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी है हमने पहले लिखा है, ये माइनस Q1 है इसलिए माइनस Q1 हमने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं। अब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? माइनस इंटू माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होगा? प्लस होगा। अंडरस्टैंड? क्योंकि माइनस Q1 डैश माइनस इंटू माइनस Q1 है, तो ये माइनस माइनस क्या होगा? प्लस Q1 होगा, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे प्लस Q1 लिखे। देखिए मैथमेटिकल इसका नहीं है, थोड़ा सा अटेंशन दीजिए। दैट इज Q1 that is minus q1 dash minus into minus q1 dash. तो ये minus minus क्या होगा? I have written directly, that is the q1 minus q1 dash. Understand? So as that is a W is a greater than, क्योंकि हमने कंसिडर किया है इंजन HE is more efficient than इंजन HER, यानी इंजन HE ये ज्यादा इफिशियंट है किससे? इंजन HER से, ऐसा हमने फर्ज किया है। तो वर्क भी क्या होगा? इंजन HE का ज्यादा होगा एज कंपेयर टू इंजन HER। जो इंजन ज्यादा इफिशियंट है उसका वर्क क्या होगा? ज्यादा होगा एज कंपेयर टू दैट इज द अदर इंजन। तो हमने यहां पर क्या किया है? इंजन HE ये मोर इफिशियंट है ऐसा फर्ज किया है हमने, ऐसा कंसिडर किया है, तो इसका वर्क भी क्या होगा? ज्यादा होगा। तो यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है कि W is greater than WR. W means work produced by engine HE and WR work produced by engine HER. So as we have considered, that is engine HE is more efficient than HER, so work is also greater than, that is the WR. So W is greater than WR. It means that composite system is able to convert heat absorb at lower temperature. यानी क्या होगा? composite system is able to heat absorb at lower temperature. यानी लोअर टेम्परेचर भी क्या होगा? हीट कन्वर्ट होगी कंप्लीटली इनटू वर्क। यानी लोअर टेम्परेचर ज्यादा रहना जरूरी नहीं है, अगर टेम्परेचर है क्योंकि इंजन ऑपरेट at temperature T2. So it means that composite system is able to convert heat absorbed at lower temperature completely into work. This is against second law of thermodynamics. This is the, यानी हमने फर्स्ट क्या किया है? हायर टेम्परेचर भी ही हायर टेम्परेचर वर्क कन्वर्ट, बट यहाँ पर लोअर टेम्परेचर पे भी क्या होगा? वर्क कन्वर्ट होगा। सो दिस इज अगेंस्ट द सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, और ये सेकेंड लॉ का जो थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का लॉ है उसके अगेंस्ट है। हेंस द असम्पशन दैट HE इज मोर इफिशिएंट देन HER इज रॉन्ग। तो हमने स्टार्टिंग में फर्ज किया था कि इंजन HE ये मोर इफिशिएंट है, दोनों भी रिवर्सिबल हैं, खाली टेम्परेचर उनका अलग अलग है, T2 और T1, एक हायर टेम्परेचर पर है और एक दूसरा लोअर टेम्परेचर पे है, और जो हायर टेम्परेचर पे है वो मोर इफिशिएंट है, ऐसा हमने फर्ज किया है, बट दैट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग हियर। दैट इज हेंस द असम्पशन दैट HE इज मोर इफिशिएंट देन HER इज रॉन्ग। तो ये स्टेटमेंट क्या है? हमारी रॉन्ग है। देयरफॉर बोथ इंजिन्स आर इक्वली इफिशिएंट। तो हमने जो स्टार्टिंग में सपोज किया था कि इंजन HE is more efficient than HER, that statement is wrong because both engines are, that is reversible, although their temperature is that is different, that is one is operating at higher temperature while second is operating at lower temperature. So that is the efficiency of both engines are, that is the same here. Hence the assumption that HE is more efficient than HER is wrong. Then फिर क्या होगा? फिर therefore both engines are equally efficient. यानी इंजन HE as well as इंजन HER दोनों की जो काम करने की कैपेसिटी है या दोनों भी क्या है? दे आर इक्वली इफिशिएंट। यानी इंजन HE जितना वर्क करेगा उतना ही वर्क क्या है? इंजन HER करेगा, बिकॉज both engines are reversible. So our assumption that engine HE is more efficient than HER is wrong. Therefore both engines are, that is the equally efficient. So this is the, that is proof of Carnot-First theorem. Understand? So I will repeat in short, that is Carnot, that is the first theorem. This is the statement of Carnot first theorem. All reversible machine operating between the same temperature limit T1 and T2 have the same efficiency. इसके लिए हमने जो है डायग्राम लिया है, that is source T2, this is the sink T1, two engines HE and HER. The work produced by HE is denoted by W and work produced by HER is denoted by WR, and heat absorbed is Q2. So that is the we have denoted, and we have that is considered that is engine HE is more efficient than HER, and this is the remaining part of this, and that is heat transfer and work done of each system can be given as that is W is equal to R T2 minus T1 ln V2 upon V1, and Q2 is equal to R T2 ln V2 upon V1. We have divided that equation, that is W upon Q2, we get finally T2 in minus T1 upon T2. This quantity W upon that is the Q2. W upon Q2 is called that is the efficiency, and this efficiency is always less than 1. And we have to solve the problems also on this topic. That is, this is very important, that is W, remember this formula, W upon Q2 is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2. T2 and T1 are given, Q2 is given, calculate the W. Or sometime W is given, T2 is given, T1 is given, calculate the that is Q2. Okay. So this is the, and lastly that is the, we have taken the table engine HE forward, engine HER reverse, and composite engine and its value. So this is about the, that is Carnot's first theorem. There are two theorems, first theorem and second theorem. These are very important. One theorem is always asked in the examination. Examination में दो theorem में से एक theorem कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन आएगा इस पे, स्टेट एंड प्रूव Carnot फर्स्ट थ्योरम या स्टेट एंड प्रूव Carnot सेकंड थ्योरम. Okay, so this is the Carnot first theorem. Now next point is efficiency of machine. So we will see in the next period, and then we prove the Carnot second theorem. Carnot second theorem. So in the next period we see that efficiency of Carnot theorem, and that is if we and okay. If any difficulty is there, then write down in the chat box. Okay, we will stop here. If you have any difficulty, you can send also on the our WhatsApp group. Thank you.